Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video we are going to record um, or cover exercise 3 of learning path 1 lab 1 of MS 102 Microsoft 365 Administrator Essential. And the previous in my previous videos I have uploaded the exercise 1 and 2 in separate video. Now the link you can find in the description box. So guys, in this video we will learn how we configure custom domain. So custom domain is like you have your on-premise domain and you have Azure subscription as well. And you know that when you create a when you subscribe with Microsoft Azure, your domain becomes like company dot on microsoft.com. So it's display like this, and then like user one at, so you have to log on like this one. But in general on premise you may log in like this, user one at contoso.com. So on premise you log on like this, and on your on Azure you have to log in like this. So it will be like user one at contoso dot on microsoft.com. So here you say no, you don't want like that. You want your user be able to log on with the same name to access on-premise and the online resources. Same name. So to make this happen, we configure custom domain. So how we do this? So let's go back to our environment. Open DNS. So you can see that currently I have only one zone, which is editum.com. Now we have to create a zone. So you can create a zone by using like through GUI, or you can use a PowerShell command to do that. Now actually guys, I am going to add a different domain, because this is a, you can see that one learn DNS. Otherwise you have to have your domain with a GoDaddy. So I don't have that account, so that's why I am using a different name. Okay, so look at that company name, it's okay, but look, the domain name is something different. Okay, so I register this one, and what it has done is it has created one zone. So if you go back here in the DNS, and if you refresh this console, you will see, okay, it has created my zone. Now we have to log into our portal, and over there we have to add our this name. So go to portal.office.com and log in as a global admin. So make sure you are in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Click on the navigation menu. Click on the all, and here you have setting, domains, add a domain. So here you have to add the same domain name as you have on-premise. Okay, so now in our lab environment, actually I told you that I don't have a GoDaddy subscription, so I cannot add that one. So because of that, I have added a new zone, okay, with this name. Okay, so I will use this name here to demonstrate this. So domain name, so as I told you, you have to use the same domain name as you have defined in that or create with your PowerShell. So I'm just going to type that name. I can copy it from here. Okay, so now I say use this domain. Add a TXT at the default selection. Click on continue and copy this one. Okay, copy this TXT value and switch back to your DNS. And over here, right click and go to other record. Go to TXT and in the text box paste. Click OK. Done. Now once it is done, now switch back to here. Wait for few minutes before you click on verify. Click verify. Now connection option. How do you want to connect to your domain? Say next. Say continue. And here you see this. It has generated few other records. It actually has record three different components: exchange and exchange online protection, and in advanced there are two more: Skype for business and Intune and mobile device management for the Microsoft 365. For our lab scenario or for our work, we need only these three. We don't need this. So now max record. So you can see this, there is host name, there is record, there is host name, there is pointer. Copy. Now go back here on your on-premise DNS and here you have to add that record. Right click here and you see this, we have MX, new mail exchange MX record. Click it here and right click here, you see this, fully qualified domain name. Right click here and say paste. The value which we copy from here, this one. Okay, we copy it here and we paste it under fully qualified domain name. Say OK. Our record has been updated successfully. Now minimize DNS. We have to add all these three one by one. Guys, you can add these records one by one before you click on continue, or you can click on continue, let the first entry verified before you move to the second one. No issue, don't worry about this. Here you see this tick mark means this entry is verified, and this one is not yet verified, so we need to verify these two. Now our mail actions has been successfully updated. Now we have, let's go with CNAME record. Expand this and CNAME. Now here you copy this one and switch back to the DNS. Now you have to add a CNAME alias. Here you have to add auto discover, and here you have to paste this entry, this one, point to address or value. Say OK. Switch back to your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Continue. Now let's check. So you can see this 2 entry has been verified successfully, and let's go with the third one. Copy this TXT value here. Click on this, so it is copied. Switch back to your on-premise DNS. And here we have to add our TXT value. So right click, go to other records, TXT, and here paste that value. Say OK. Done. Switch back to your 365 Admin Center. Say continue. Say continue, and it is finished successfully. Waiting for this task to get completed. Now you can see domain setup is completed. Done. And now you will see in the domain list our domain has been verified successfully and it is healthy. Now which domain, this domain we have added, currently this is default. So you say you want to make this one as default. So select and say set as default. Now you can see thank you guys for watching my videos. Hoping that this video will definitely help you to enhance your knowledge level. Guys, I'm requesting you, please share my videos with your friends and your colleagues, and also subscribe my channel, and I will help you to keep updated with all the latest technologies. And guys, even if you want, you can purchase courses from us. We You can find us here, you can visit us to here, and you can get up to 50% discount on all the courses you select. Thank you guys for watching my videos once again. See you in my next video.